Hi, my name is Dr. Melissa Carr, and I am a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine in Vancouver, BC. So one of my favorite parts about traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, is its approach to nutrition. And I'm working on a Chinese medicine food cures book that will incorporate some discussion on this. But I thought I would create some videos to teach you a little bit about Chinese medicine and its approach to food. So while when we think about nutrition, we often think about calories and healthy foods versus junk foods, so-called junk foods. We also often talk about the macronutrients, so that's the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, or the micronutrients, which are the vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients that are there. And while that is definitely important, traditional Chinese medicine has another added layer to it. So we look at the flavor of the food or flavors of a food, the energetics, so whether it's warming or cooling or neutral, what body part it tends to affect or body parts it tends to affect, it has an affiliation toward, and a variety of other aspects. So this video series will look at some of those things, and hopefully you can apply that to your nutrition, food choices, and your health.